Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to set login password in Windows 10. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now I'll go to Start and search for Sign In options. As soon as I type sign, here is Sign In options. Click on this and over here you'll find these multiple options. For now, I'll go with this password. As soon as you click on this password, you will get this interface. If you haven't saved your password earlier, just you can click to this add and over here you can find this interface to create a password. I will create password. For now I'll type 9843 @9843 and I'll confirm my password as 9843 @9843 and the same password hint 9843 @9843. You can also check your password by clicking over here on this icon. You can see here 9843 @9843 and over here also 9843 @9843 and click on this next. Okay, when I click on next, here is one pop-up saying your password hint can't contain your password. Okay, I'll change this one and enter this double @ and I'll go next and just finish. So in this way we can set password in Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.